Hey guys, I'm back with an amazing video about this Firebolt Soleil's luxury stainless steel smartwatch. I got this from Amazon for just rupees 1999. This smartwatch actually grabbed my attention because of its luxurious look from outside, and let's unbox this and explore the features. We have multiple color options like silver, gold and gold and silver. The smartwatch has a 2-button pusher and 1 rotating crown. The one I got is gold and silver color. Inside this we have the user manual. And this box contains one charging cable. We also have a warranty card. We can also scan this code and download the Bolt Play app and a voucher for some movie tickets. And there's a warning which says that we should not use fast charging adapter to charge this smartwatch and use only 3.7 volt to 5 volt basic adapter for charging. We have a vivid and round 1.32-inch full-touch LCD display. This smartwatch has a 360x360 resolution pixels. This watch is very sleek and it's made of steel. And the design looks very impressive. It's just taking me some time to remove all these things. And the charging time is up to 2 hours. Let me first charge this watch.
1 hour later.
But unfortunately this watch did not turn on. I tried so many times and I'm really disappointed. So I'm going to exchange this product from Amazon.
2 days later.
I received a new watch after 2 days. And that's why you must always buy products from trusted sellers like Amazon, Flipkart or any other trusted retail stores. So finally, let's first download the app and connect it to my phone using Bluetooth. This smartphone weighs around 60 grams and it supports iOS 9.0 and above and Android 5.0 and above. To begin with the watch faces, we have hundreds of options to choose from the cloud. And the next one is you can easily find your smartwatch or phone if misplaced using this feature. This smartwatch has a 60 Hz refresh rate. And it also has 120 plus sports modes like cycling, jogging, running, badminton, rugby, golf, etc. We also have a 360 health monitoring system where I can check my heart rate. The smartwatch also has a sleep monitoring system. We also have an inbuilt mic and speaker for Bluetooth calling. I used the smartwatch to connect to my friends and the audio clarity was very good. This smartwatch also helps me to check my oxygen saturation. And this smartwatch also gives you update about the weather and many other features like a timer. We can also use this to set alarm. And the most important feature about this smartphone is AI voice assistant, where you can make your command and get your tasks done. Set the alarm at 2:40 p.m.
Alright, your alarm set for 2:40 p.m.
Open my contacts.
Opening.
This watch also offers you 2 different types of games. We can easily adjust the brightness according to our need, and And we can also easily change the sleeping time for the watch, and we can also change the watch face from the watch itself if you have already downloaded it. The smartwatch has a 230 mAh lithium ion battery, and the battery life is up to 5 days and 15 days in standby mode. This watch is also IP67 water resistant up to 1 meter, and this is the most stylish smartwatch I have seen in this budget. To conclude with, if you're looking for a luxury smartwatch within budget, you guys can definitely go for this. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Digital Diva for more informative videos.